RUDN is an international scientific hub. It's the most multi-profile and multicultural university in Russia. RUDN is home to gifted students, postgraduates and scientists from over 150 countries. RUDN conducts interdisciplinary studies in social sciences, humanities, natural, technical and medical sciences. Thanks to cutting-edge infrastructure, scientific teams enjoy the most comfortable working environment. The university has centres and labs in the following areas: additive manufacturing, molecular design, 5G technologies and the Internet of Things, gravity, astrophysics and space systems, physical and chemical studies of substances and materials, biological nanotechnologies, metabolomics, and individualized medicine. Our partners include international organizations and corporations, scientific centers, and leading universities in Finland, China, the UK, Belgium, Germany, France, Switzerland, and the USA. Mathematicians, chemists, physicists, experts in medicine, agronomy, and modern languages have an ambitious goal: to make the world a better place. RUDN scientific projects are focused on reaching 5 Sustainable Development Goals posed by the UN. Good health and well-being. Experts in medical science, biologists and chemists study infectious and parasitic diseases in developing countries. They strive to prevent and treat tropical diseases, to extend life expectancy while taking regional and geographical conditions into account. Affordable and clean energy. Mathematicians and engineers develop mathematical modeling tools to seek out and test new energy sources. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Interdisciplinary studies focus on robotic and intellectual systems, Industry 4.0, space infrastructure, nanoengineering, digital economy and more. Sustainable cities and communities. RUDN solves the problems of eco-monitoring and the use of smart technologies for sustainable development of megacities. Partnership for the goals. RUDN experts study the management of migration processes in times of sharp ethnic and religious conflicts. Artificial intelligence technologies and automatic multi-language text analysis in the global environment enable forecasting routes of migration and prevent religious, ethnic and interregional conflicts. Major RUDN studies are based on 3 science management principles that RUDN adheres to: a project-based approach, an interdisciplinary approach and an international approach. The system of scientific projects encompasses international expertise, tenders with fair competition, collaboration with foreign partners, extra payments for obtained results, and PR promotion. RUDN is an international scientific hub that makes the world a better place. RUDN is a space without borders, open for discoveries. It's a place where gifted students study, ambitious professionals work, and global projects come to life. Uniting people of different cultures by knowledge, RUDN University creates leaders to make the world better. RUDN University. Discover the world in one university.